Yeah.
Yay, backpack.
Papa.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
I love you.
Hi, you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy. Say we're dancing.
I'm there.
You dance.
I'm there.
Are you?
I'm just
Huh? Let's see. Take your finger out your mouth. Go ahead. Let me talk. Let me hear, Zari. Your hair's so pretty. Show Mommy where your head is. You want to go get your toys? Okay. You want to play something for Daddy?
You, Daddy.
Okay, let's play something for Daddy.
You, Daddy.
You got it?
I got it.
Here. Okay. Here, hold the stick. Get the stick. There you go. Alright, let's play something for Daddy. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time we'll have dancing. Good girl, yay! High five. Good girl. Okay, say bye to Daddy. Say bye on the camera.
Dada.
He's at work. Say bye-bye. Oh, you don't want to say bye-bye, huh? Okay. Want to play another song for Daddy?
How?
Hmm?
How?
We'll do the head, eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks, ears, and chin.
How?
Hmm?
How?
Oh, you need help.
How?
Here. Let's sing Barney. Ready? I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Mwah. Won't you say you love me too? Yay. Hmm? High five. Good girl. Alright. We're going to say bye to the recording. Say bye.